Today's video is brought to you by DXZtoz and their two-way articulating borescope. If you're a mechanic, electrician, house inspector, plumber, or an everyday handyman, this is a must-have in your toolbox. More details at the end of the video. All right, let's talk about one of the most exciting small SUVs out there, the 2025 Mazda CX-30. This thing is sharp, fun to drive, and packed with premium features to make it feel like a luxury SUV without the crazy price tag. If you're in the market for a small SUV but want something that actually excites you behind the wheel, this one is worth checking out. Let's break it down, the style, performance, tech, and how it stacks up against the competition. And of course, if you're looking for the best deal on one, stick around because I'll show you how to save big with just a few clicks. Let's get into it. First off, let's appreciate the styling here. The CX-30 doesn't look like your average subcompact SUV. It's got these sleek European-inspired curves that wouldn't look out of place on an Italian highway. It looks like Mazda took their classic Kodos design language and made it even bolder. And check this out, depending on the trim, you can get black metallic wheels, red leather seats, even carbon edition paint that gives it this ultra premium look. Seriously, this thing looks way more expensive than it is. Step inside and Mazda really flexes on the competition here. The materials, soft touch everywhere, real stitching, and this driver-focused cockpit that makes you feel connected to the car. Honestly, this feels way more high-end than a typical small SUV. Tech-wise, you get an 8.8-inch touchscreen standard, but if you go to the top trims, you get a 10.25 touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus the new Alexa integration lets you control stuff in the cabin and even your smart home device. Is pretty slick, right? Oh, and if you love your music, there's a 12-speaker Bose sound system on the higher trims that sounds incredible. Now, here's where the CX-30 really sets itself apart. It's actually fun to drive. Most small SUVs, they're fine, but they don't exactly make you want to take the long way home. This comes standard with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder solid power, great fuel economy, 29 miles per gallon combined, and all-wheel drive standard across the lineup. That's a huge plus. But if you want more punch, you can go for the turbocharged 2.5-liter. This thing cranks up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the quickest in its class. That's more power than the Kona and Celtis from Hyundai and Kia, and trust me, you'll feel it. The throttle response is instant, the handling is sharp, and it's just way more engaging than most SUVs in this price range. All right, how does it compare to the competition? The Kia Celtis has more rear legroom and cargo space, but the CX-30's interior quality and handling are on another level. The Trailblazer from Chevy has a bigger touchscreen, but the CX-30's turbo engine blows it away in terms of power. And the Volkswagen Taos is roomier, but the Mazda feels more premium inside and way more fun to drive. Basically, if you want something spacious and practical, some of these competitors might have a slight edge, but if you want an SUV that actually excites you every time you drive it, the CX-30 is the way to go. All right, talking price now. It starts at just over 26 grand, and even if you go all the way to the Turbo Premium Plus, you're still under 40,000, which is a steal considering how much luxury and performance you get. But here's the thing, why pay sticker price when you can get a better deal? If you're looking for the best price on a new or used CX-30 or any other car for that matter, truck or SUV, go to quotes.everymandriver.com. This is a free search engine used by thousands of people every single day to find real-time dealer pricing based on their zip code. You could save hundreds or even thousands of dollars just by checking quotes.everymandriver.com. Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Today's video is brought to you in part by Ironman Darts. If you're looking to pick up a new and fun hobby that you can play at home or at the local pub, check out the Ironman Darts YouTube channel for simple and easy practice routines, lessons on how to throw darts, darts games for beginners, and real matches versus real people with both steel tip and soft tip darts. Click the link below and watch for free. And there it is.